Hey, this is Jake from Mito. I'm going to show you some quick exploratory data analysis features in the Mito sheet. So we've imported this data set from our import folder. I can select any of my local files, or I can also pass in a data frame as an argument like that, but I'm not going to do that. The first thing I want to do in terms of exploratory data analysis is just look at some of these columns specifically. So let's take these styles here. And then when I click the filter menu, we get these three options. So I can apply filters, I can look at values, I can look at summary stats. So I'll go to summary stats first. We can see frequency charts. We also see the count of how many entries we have. We have how many unique values there are. We have the top unique value and the frequency of that value. So the top value is pack, or the mode is pack. And we see that 1,531 times is how many times it appears. And we can also see that there are two null values, and this is pretty important. One thing I can do is I can get rid of all null values as an exploratory data analysis step. So if I go to top 10 here, this is letting me know if these ramen restaurants ever ranked in the top 10 of a yearly ranking. So I'll click this here. I can look at the values. We can see that we have a lot of null values, and we also have some that are in the top 10. So one thing I can do is apply a filter here, and I'm just going to add a filter that is not empty. So this will get rid of all of the empty entries, or the null value entries. And I'll close this, and we'll see that it went from 2580 rows to only 41 rows. So we filtered out a lot of rows, and what's left are all the values that have a value that are not empty. And when we do that, we generate the code for that filter down here.